Guys, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Today guys, I'll be teaching you how to make crochet hairstyles, how you can make your crochet hairstyles at home. I'll be teaching you guys how to make homemade crochet hairstyles. And please guys, if you're here for the first time, please make sure you click on the subscribe button and comment down the kind of video you want on this channel. And please make sure you turn on the bell notification because I have so many great content coming. So guys, I'll be teaching you guys how to care for your hair naturally, how you can have a healthy hair, and I'm giving you guys so many hair videos on this channel. So please guys, let's get into the video. So the first thing you do is you tie a rope around your hair that you place the extension on. You make sure you tie a rope, a thick rope. You can use a thread or wool, anything you want. Then you place your extension like this. Please look carefully. Please look carefully. You're going to place your extensions like this, and before you place your extension, please make sure you comb the extension very well. And in this video I'll be showing you how to make crochet. This one I'll be showing you 3 methods that you can use, showing you twisting method, braids, and normal one without braids and without twisting. So please keep on watching. So yeah, now I'm trying to make the braid. You make the braid, you leave it, make full braid from the starting to the end. And for this third one, you're going to do the same thing. For this one, we'll be making it as twist, which is Senegalese twist. We're making use of that particular twist. So you do it. Then here we have extension without twist, braid and twist. Then you bring out your straw. Then you start doing it like this for you to achieve that coiling crochet straw hairstyle. When you're putting the twist on the straw, you make sure it's very tight. Make sure it laps. Make sure it's very tight. As in, you should not put gap in between the way you're putting. You should not put gap. Just make sure do it step by step for you to achieve a good result. When you have finished putting the extension on the straw, what you do, you take thread or you can use rubber band, but today I'm using thread. So you can use thread to tie it very well. You tie it so that it will not lose. You tie it, and now you put it inside the hot water, it will still remain the same. So as you can see, I'm done with that one. I'm moving to the braid on. You do the same thing to the braid on. The only thing you take note of is you should make sure that when you're putting the braid or the extension, when you're wrapping it on the straw, make sure it's very tight so that you can achieve that coil. Just make sure it's tight. So you can see I'm trying to lap it. I should be following each other like step by step so that you can achieve that coils that you're looking for. This one too is the same process, but this one don't have braid or twist. Before you place it on the straw, make sure you comb it very well so that then when you're putting inside the straw, you make sure you twist it just as I'm doing it there. You twist it very well and place it step by step too, because it's the same process. So that this one you're going to use your hand to twist it a bit before placing it inside the straw. So I'm making sure that this one is tight. Then what you do, you bring in your hot water, place it inside the hot water for you to achieve the coils. Put it very in a hot water, you leave it for some time, then this is the result. Hope I tried, guys. Please rate this. This is the finished look. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate you all. Bye.